3 iconic destinations, 1 massive adventure. Today we're conquering Moalboal, Kawasan and Aguinid Falls. Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to do a bit of waterfall hopping, but I've currently made a little pit stop at Naga. It's like 6 AM and you can see the sun rising. It's a nice view out here. So I've just got to Moalboal now and I'm at what's called a white beach. Let's take a look. I guess it definitely lives up to its name, White Beach. I'm guessing in the evening it's quite nice around here because I've seen quite a few barbecue places as well. Now let's head to our next spot. Just got to Kawasan Waterfalls. Let's head inside. It's really nice and green around here. I love it, and I love how the sun's out as well. Apparently there's been a lot of changes here since last year. There was a typhoon, so they've built the area so it's kind of like a dam now, and I'll show you the walls they've built just because of the floods that happened. So these are the walls they built. Look how nice and clear the water is. It's so blue. So just so you know, it's 200 pesos for the entrance if you're just gonna walk to the waterfall. But if you're gonna do the canyoneering, it's a bit more pricey. I think it's between 2,000 to 3,000. Don't quote me on that though. I did that 2 years ago, that was fun. So give it a try if you are in the area. It's a good 15 to 20 minute walk from the ticket bit, so yeah, be prepared. I'll show you some of the damage from the last time. Just there, can you see that? That's some of the damage. I managed to get some amazing drone shots, but I'm absolutely soaking. Just take a look at how crystal blue the water is. I just can't get over how blue the water is. There's so many nice beaches here, and so the water's so nice here as well. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but if you're doing the 200 peso ticket, you only get to see Kawasan Falls at level 1. But if you do the canyoneering, you get to see level 2 and 3. I definitely recommend canyoneering though, if you've not done it, because it was really fun, especially when you jump off little cliffs, ledges. It gives you that nice adrenaline rush. Look, I made a new friend. Let's head to our next destination. I've just made it to Aguinid Waterfalls. Let's see what's in store. So I've had to switch cameras over because I'm gonna get wet.
Waterfalls, and we have 9 different levels starting from level 0 to level 8. Huh?
Squiddy on the move here. So guys, this is level 1. Let me show you. Apparently there's 8 levels, so we'll make our way up and swim up there. This reminds me of canyoneering. So guys, we made it to level 2. Take your time. Let me show you. I have to climb here, so let's see how I do. So I have to walk in the middle. Hey, freaking out. That was a climb. There's more in store. I felt nice on the feet. I'm already out of breath. Let's see when we get up. Level 5. Level 5. Apparently I can use my drone at level 5. So I'll try and get you guys some nice shots from up there. So we reached level 3. Oh man, this is the workout.
Take a video.
Thank you. Look at that, that looks so nice. Look at that water. I'm being attacked. Bloody hell. This guy, man. He made it up there quicker than me. Oh, it's definitely quite an adventure. So I've just reached level 5. Yeah, boss.
Do your drone here.
Here. Can I do it higher up or just here?
Just have you go move forward longer.
Okay. So I've got to enjoy level 5 because there's no swimming allowed on level 8. And the question is, do I jump or do I not? Bloody hell, guys. I'm just going to sit here and float. See, look at me with this life jacket and helmet, and look at all these kids who don't swim. Go there. See, that guy's a pro. Bloody hell. If only I could do that. Wow, look how quick he's going up. He's going for it again. Yeah. Nice. Here's the man. Right, off to the next spot. I was too much of a chicken to jump. Right.
Jump. Okay.
Go. Very good. Yeah. These guys know how to swim, man. Squiddy on the move, alright guys? Yeah, Squiddy on the move. Just reached level 6, that was quite a climb. I'm literally out of breath. My turn to go up. Level 7 now. So this is the last fall, guys. Guys, you need to visit Aguinid Falls. It's absolutely fantastic here. Make sure you visit if you're in the area. Better than Kawasan Falls. So I think we're done now. Let's head on back. So they have a car that picks you up at the top, so you don't have to go all the way back as well, which is quite good. This is the last part. It's a very nice waterfalls. I'm glad I came here. It's off the beaten track. So the Lambos arrived. There's the nice Lamborghini. So I've been told I can stand up. Only in the Philippines. Look at that view over there. So that's me done for today. Do you know, I absolutely enjoyed today, and I definitely recommend all those waterfalls. They all have something different to offer. So yeah, if you're in the area, give them a try. Tomorrow I'm off to Bohol, so don't forget to like and subscribe to join me for that adventure, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.